look at the dogs having a great time. Hetty! Hi, Poppy! We're gonna shoot some pictures for DMG Apparel now that there's still snow, because it's actually 1 degrees or 2 degrees Celsius, so it's slowly, whatever it's called, melting away. That's the word. So we're gonna shoot some pictures right now. What? Nice, the red socks too. En twee hier blijven. So, I mean, this scenery is perfect for some cool pictures. Even the house over there, that's gonna look really, really nice. I told Hunter to stay, and now he's just staying like this. I don't think he wants to lay down because it's like wet and he doesn't like it when something's wet. So instead he's just like half. Oh buddy, you're so cute. You're such a good boy. In Snowy Town right now. The dogs are loving this. What you do? Oh, it looks like snow scooters are coming our way. Excitement! Ready?